This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शनिवासरः अथवा मन्दवासरः निज अश्विन पौर्णिमा कोजागिरी पौर्णिमा इति लोके दिनांक 31 अक्टोबर 2020 सहस्रयोगं संकीर्ण प्रकरण शंखं चक्रं जलकान्दतमृतघटं चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगतवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धाम् आत्रेयाद्येषु पूरिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दुष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विश्वश्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोद्दिशः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं न प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षं वीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत्प्रेच्छति सप्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। वलियन्ति विवलियन्दति कषाय चुक्कुं शुण्ठी तिप्पलियं पिप्पली मुस्ता त्रिफला मधुकं मयक्कु मायफळ गोक्षुर जातित्रय जातिफल जायपत्री लवंग रोहिणी कटुकी मोदक अजमोदा षट्तंडुलम धान्यक एला इंद्रयव मालकांगणी बाकुची विडंग षट्तंडुलम इज धान्यक एला इंद्रयव मालकांगणी बाकुची एंड विडंग. अच्छा नागपुष्प नागकेशर तगर जीरकद्वय कण्णरम कठिणी चंदनम रेंडु 2 types of chandana गजपिप्पली तोयवुम रिबेर तुवयुम यवास सहस्रवेदी that is Hingu किरायतिक्त असली शतकोपय्युम शतपुष्पा रासना मुंड्री द्राक्षा भक्षिप्लु कडेरी बिल्वमूल त्रिवृत मेथिका गरुड़ पच्छ परपट गुड़ूची 1 तोला each. जल 8 सेरलु अष्टमांश कषाय जीरक चूर्ण संधिपात असाध्य उपद्रवयुक्त जीर्ण ज्वर. Don't know whether this is available. उपद्रवयुक्त जीर्ण ज्वर असाध्य ज्वर. So quite interesting. अमृताष्टक कषाय, गरुड़ पच्छ, नहीं मालूम एक्चुअली, डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज गरुड़ पच्छ। अमृताष्टक कषाय, अमृतारिष्ट कटुका मुस्तेन्द्रैव नागरैः पटोल चन्दनाभ्यां च पिप्परिचूर्ण युक्स्मृतम्। अमृताष्टकम् एतच्च पित्तश्लेष्मज्वरापहम् छर्द्यरोचकरुल्लासदाह तृष्णा निवारणम्। अमृतारिष्ट मुस्त इंद्रयव नागर पटोल and चंदन with पिप्पली चूर्ण। 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 गुडुची पद्मकारिष्ट धानका रक्त चंदनम। This is a bit different. पटोल कुटरोहिणी चंदनम मधुस्रव गुडुची पाठान्वितं निहन्ति कपित्तकुष्ठज्वरान् विषं वमिमरोचकं कामम्। So somewhat resembles with Patola the Kashaya, somewhat better. Patha is there, here it is not there. Arishta Nimba Katuka Musta Indraya Kuttaja Chardi Aruchi Pitta Shleshma Jvara Ullasa Daha and Krishna. So this Amrutashtaka Kashaya, if it is available, this might be used for the side effects of chemo and radiation. The symptoms quite resemble with that. Daha and Krishna both are there. Kiratadi Kashaya. किराताब्दामृतोदीच्छ बृहति द्वय गोक्षरे सस्थिरा कलशी विश्वै वातज्वरापः. So Amruta is Guduchi Udiccha Riberer Bhati Dvaya Gokshara Sthira Kalashi Krishni Karni Vishwa. Duralabhadi Kashaya. Duralabha Parpataka Priyangu Bhunim Vamasa Katarohininan Patham Pipet Sharkarayava Gadham Trishnaska Pitta Dvirdaha Yukta. Vasa Katarohininan Patham Pipet Sharkarayava Gadham. So this is also simple. Don't know whether this is available. Trishna, Asra, Pitta, Jvara and Daha. Maybe used in Rakta Pitta. Bharangyadi Kashaya. Bhangi Parpati Vishwa Vasakakana Bhunimba Nimbamrita Mustadhanva Bheshasha Dhandvacha Bheshajestu Dashabhir Hantiva Sarvajvaran Jirnan Dhatu Gatan Tatha Vishaman Sopadravan Daruna Vathoyam Yadiyugma Vasaramati Dattoyam Yamadrakshati Datto Yamadrakshati. Okay. Yugma Vasaramati. So even if it is given for 2 days, then this protects us from Yama. Jirnan Dhatu Gatan Tatha Vishaman Sopadravan Daruna भांगे परपटि विश्ववास कणा भूनिंद निंबामृता मुस्ता धन्व भेषजैस्तु दशभिर्हन्तीव सर्वज्वरात्. So Bharangi Parpataka Vishwa Shunti Vasa Kana Guninda Ninda Amrita Guruchi Musta and Dhanvaja. So what is Dhanvaja? Might be Dhanyaka. हिंदी थे गेले का Dhanvaja से बाकी Damasa. That is Dhanvaya Vasaka actually. Mayuri, are you present? Mayuri or Kaushik? This might be used in Kritika. So Bhangyadi Kashaya, whether this is available or not. Yes. Okay. Bala Koduttuvaadi Kashaya. Bala Dulalabha Parpata Abda Nistadhanyaka Mudga Chiru Panchamula Lahu Panchamula Shringavera Shunki. It is available also. AVP. Okay, then we can directly start with this. Bhangyadi Leha was also available, so it has started. Also in Chanakh there the same part. Jwara, Vishama Jwara and Upadravatmaka Dharana Jwara. This might be used even in COVID-19 when the temperature is the main thing. And if it is available, Nagarjuna. So it's better to use this Bhangyadi Kashaya. I've used it, sir. Okay, fine. So let us concentrate how we can use this. And I was internally early in the morning. Sutika Jwara. सहचरादि कषाय सहचर कुलुप्त पुष्कर दारु निशा युग्म वेत सक्वाथम पीतम सहिंगु लवण शमयति शूल ज्वरे तन्वयाः तन्वया सहचर कुलत्थ पुष्कर दारु निशा युग्म वेतसा मतलब वेतसा with Ingo and Lavana Prasutika Jwara Shula Tanvaya. What is the word actually? There should not be Visarga. Might be just Tanvaya and Tritiya Ekvachan of Tanvi Shabda. But Tanvi is not Sutika really. After delivery, if that is become thin. So this is for Prasuti Jwara and Shula. Vibera Adi Kashaya. रिवेरं धान्यकं शुण्ठी चन्दनं मधुयष्टिका वृषोषीरयुतः शर्करा मधुयोगिता रक्तपित्तं जयत्विग्रं तृष्णां दाहं ज्वलन्तम्. Also, I've seen this somewhere else. Rivera is available? I think it is available. But for Rakta Pitta, one may not go for Asavarishta, maybe just Kashaya, reserved Kashaya. Ugra Rakta Pitta, Tushna Daha and Jvara. Mentioned in Vangasena, Yogaratnakara and Bruhandigantu Ratnakara. उशीरादि कषाय उशीरं चंदनं पाठा द्राक्षा मधुकपिप्पली सक्षौदरं पायेत् वाथम रक्तपित्तं हरे ध्रुवम्. No, either here it is pippali or otherwise it is shunthi as well. And for raktapitta peculiarly, rest of the medicines are more or less the same. Madhukapippali. So this is also fine. द्राक्षादि कषाय द्राक्षया फलिनीभिर्वा बलया नागरेण वा श्वदंश्रया शतावर्या रक्तपित् साधितं पयः. मधुकपिप्पली मदनफल पिप्पली. Madhuka and Pippali, these are separate. Yashtivada and Pippali, not Madhuka Pippali. So Madhuka is Yashtivada and Pippali is Pippali. That's all. So Draksha and Falini together, or Bala and Nagar together, or Shaudamshta and Shatavari together. That is a yoga in Adhoga Raktapitta, Mutragata Raktapitta, Shaudamshta and Shatavari. That I have used in many cases, particularly CA bladder. Maybe this be Raktanda Pitta Vikam. So basically Raktavit is Raktapitta. Chandanaadi Kashaya. Chandanendriyavau Patha. Katuka Saduralava, Guduchi Balakam Dotram, Pippali Kshabda Sanjutam. Kafanvitam Jayat Raktam, Krishna Kasan Jvarapam. Chandana Indrayava Patha, Katuka Duralava, Guduchi Balakam Dotra, Pippali. So this is a to be prepared Kashaya. And then honey to be added with it. So Kaphavrata Raktapitta. Kaphanvita is actually Trishna, Kasa and Jvara. So this should be good post-COVID. There is a tendency of this formation of a clot, and we need something which will be able to reduce that Grathita Raktapitta. So Kaphanvita Jayat Raktam and Krishna, Kasa and Jvara. This is also for the Shruti. So is Chandana Adi Kashaya available? Of this part? शतावरी कषाय शतावरी बलारासना काश्मर्यं स परुषकं पाये रक्तपित्तघ्नं सद्यशूलहरं परम्. शतावरी बलारासना काश्मर्यं परुषकं सद्यशूलहरम्. Why they have separated it that Sankirana? These are all Kashayas only. I thought that Sankirana would be something which may not be falling in any of these, maybe due to complex sanskaras. But that doesn't seem. These are all Kashayas. And why they have not been incorporated in the Kashaya chapter? That remains a question. नाही आहे काही. Raptapitta Shula. The same formulation is mentioned in Mangasena Yogaratnakara, Brahmdigamta Ratnakara. डेंग्यूमध्ये वापरता येईल विशेषतः हिमोरेजिक डेंग्यू कारण बहुतेक कशांच्या विरुद्ध रक्तपित्त असे आले आहे. That is fine, but and most of them are for Raktapitta. That is another important aspect over here. मांसी चंदन लोद्र धात की रक्तपित्त हर गण गण मांसी चंदन लोद्र धात की वृषो क्षीरांबु मोचोत्पलैः साम्रास्थ्यं जनदाडि साम्रास्थ्यं जनदाडिमांबु दसमंगैला वासिता वत्सकम् साम्रास्थ्यं जनदाडिमांबुद समंगैला सितावत्सकं पाठाजन्धु मधुकपङ्कज रजो नागाभयैरन्वितं तत्सर्वं सकलप्रकारविहितं तास्रहारी गणः. So मांसी चंदन लोध्र धातकी वृषवासा उशीर अंबु मोच उत्पल आम्रास्ती अंजन दाडिम अंबुद तीबेर समंगा मजिष्ठा एला सिता वत्सक कुटज पाठा जंबू मधुक पंकज परपटक नागाव नागकेशर. So this is Raktapitta Hara Gana. Maybe we'll have to think about this. Now I have faced serious problems with leukemias, and once they start bleeding, it is very difficult to control. In all these, we may keep on with some Raktapitta Hara Gana. Most of the leukemia patients die of hemorrhage. Either Urdhvaga, Adhoga, or both. So we have to think about this Raktapitta Hara Gana. कौसमुस्ता भया दुर्वा गुरुची सारिवा तिलैः श्रुतं तय पिबेन नारी प्रदरामय शांति. कौसमुस्त मुस्ताभेद कुश सदृशत्वात् कौस इति मुस्ता अभया दुर्वा गुरुची सारिवा and tila. It's also strange. Which pradhara that has not been mentioned? Shweta pradhara, Rakta pradhara. And Tila and Abhaya, these are a bit different. Otherwise, this can be used in Rakta pradhara. Kausamusta Bhayadi Krashrayam. Is this available? वासापामार्ग अत्तित्तोल उदुम्बरत्व वरीश से उष्णता वरी सेव्य उशीर बला बंधुजीवक मूलत्व अश्रुदर सीता एंड घृत पथ्यामलकादि कषाय पथ्यामलक विभीतक विश्वौषधि दारु रजनीनां सक्षौदर लौदर चरणन पातो हंतेश सर्वजम प्रदरम. This is also simple. So Triphala is each taken separately. Kathya, Amalaka, Abhitaka, Vishwaushadhi, Daru, Devdaru, Rajani, Haridra. Sarva Pradara. Kshaudra and Lodra Chura. No. Asha, are you present? Kalyan is present. Kalyan is also not present. So this may be tried in Pradara particularly. Parashruti is Sarva Pradara. Bala Kuvaladi Kashaya. Kuvalam is Bilva Mula. Kuvala is otherwise lotus. Mudga Chukka Shunthi. Ajaji Vrushavasa Laja. Chuta Mettam Amra Bunta. Chutana Mettam. Karibu Ikshu. Bedtime. Shwasakasa Ruchi. It's quite different Falashruti. And to be given at night time. Bilvadhanyadi Kashaya. बिल्वधान्य का बलामूल लाजा अलरु जीरक चुक्कू शुंठी मुद्ग दारू जीवंती are types of hikka and shwas. Is this available? Bilvadhanya kadi sharkara and ghruta. Hikka and shwas. Cheru payaradi kashaya. Mudga amruta shunthi bhavati ponnavara. Kasamarada. Ikshu laja ghana musta. Kasa shosha shwasa pinasa. Bilvadhanyadi available by AVP of AVP. This might be used for Shwahikka and Shwasa Bilvadhanyadi. There are many troublesome cases of Hikka do not respond. Bilvadhanyadi Kashayam. Panalaveradi Kashayam. Panalarve, Panalaverodu. Panalaveru is Patha. Karimpu. Ikshumula, Bilvamula, Laja, Inchi Ardraka. श्वास एंड सर्दी. तबक श्वास. Is this available? Panala Veradi. So, Ramachadi Kashaya. Ushira, Ramacha is Ushira, Ambu, Badra Mula, Balamula, Laja, Ikshu. Laja and Ikshu are very common. Something strange. Chutta, Chuta, Amrashunga, Tumbi Pravala, Nagavalli Dala, Nichi Ardraka, Mudga, Guha, Pushniparani, Jiraka Daru, Devdaru. Matu, Swasakasa Hika Parshvashula. धान्यादि. कनिम कुरिंग्यादि कषाय. कनिम कुरिंग्यादि कषाय. कनिम कुरिंगी सहचर वर्णम देवदार. वरुण देवदारु. श्वास. नागरम सहचरम सुरदारु. It is नागरादि और नागर सहचरादि कषाय. दुतो विलंबितो गो भवति इच्छया. That is the Phalashruti. It was Nagar over there. It is Varuna. Searcher and Devdar is common. Kanin Kuringyadi Kashaya. Shvasa. Maybe we have to see Orila Shaliparani, Muvila Pushniparani, Varutina, Bruhati, Vasa, Veera, Kasamarta, Vari Shatavari, Jivanti, Inchi, Ardraka. Shvasi. With Grutta and Chiraka. Shaithilya with Shvasa in Phalashruti. Shaithilya with Shvasa. Okay. Kuluthadi Kashaya. Kulatha Yava Kola Ambu Dashamula Bala. Shvasa Kasa Hikka Prashante. Kulatha Yava Kola Ambu Dashamula Bala Jalai. Bala Jalan. Panartham Chalpe Shvasa Hikka Kasa Hikka Prashante. Is this available? Kulathadi Kashaya. So this might be used even in Amavata. Saptamushtika Yusha, Kulatha, Yava and Kola. These are there in Saptamushtika Yusha. Bilvamrutadi Kashaya. Bilvamruta Patavalam. Cherutteku Choram Ponnavaram. Darvishvehi Vasatvikantakayitai. Sushrutam Kashayam Samshoshaya सपदि शोष विकारम एल्लाम बिल्व गुरुची पटवलम पटोल भारंगी छोरा कचोरा कुष्मांड नाही का असं मरत बृहती मुस्तक दारू देवदारू विश्व वासा त्रिकंठ वृक्ष yes from Nagarjuna बिल्वामृतादि कषाय is available क्षयजन्य विकार सपदि शोष विकार में एल्लाम 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 So a strange combination of Malayalam and Sanskrit together. This is again. This from Nagarjuna. Mudra and Laka in most Shwas Kashayas mentioned here. Yeah, that is true. Adalotadi Kashaya. Adalodadi. वासा यवास कंटकारी चित्रक कोडासरी वचा भूनिंब शुंठी जीरक पिपली यष्टि षट्तंदुल again there is षट्तंदुल हरितकी श्वास ज्वर उरक्षत पार्श्व पीड़ा This also might be used in COVID-19. उरक्षत पार्श्व पीड़ा श्वास and ज्वर. Is this available? Vari Karimbadi Kashaya. Karimba is Ikshu, Amalaka, Vidari, Shangeri, Inchi, Adaka, or Triparani, Shaliparani, Apamarga, Vyavasa, Chitraka, Aruchi. श्वास हा स्पर्शशूल असे बरेचदा श्वास का स्पर्शशूल असे बरेचदा येणार यामुळे आलेले पार्श्वशूल इंडिव्हिज्युअल पार्श्वशूल मध्ये देता येईल. In both it can be used, but if it is associated with Shvasakasa Parshvashul, then also this can be given. So, Vari Karambadi Kashaya, Mudgadi Kashaya. This is most simple. Kashaya Brushta Mudganam Salaga Madhusharkara. Chardati Sara Dahagno Dvaradna Sampakirtitaha. So Brashta Mudga Kashaya with Laja and Madhu and Sharkara. Maybe we can use larger churna. So this we can easily bring to practice. Shardi, Atisara, Daho, and Jora. So let us try this Budgadi Kashaya. Madhu and Sharkara we are not generally adding together. That is also one of the important practices that we may have to think of. Parpapataka Kashaya, Vataparpadaja Pantaha, Sakshaudraha Shishiri Krutaha, Pittachadishirastapam Chakshurdaham Gapoh. So only Parpataka. Decoction Parpataka and getting cold naturally administered internally with Madhu. Pittachardi Shirastapa Chakshurdaha. तो पित्त प्रधान अवस्था बिल्वादि कषाय बिल्व मूल जल then add milk reduced to half chaturthansh kashaya then add 1/4 quantity of milk and reduce it to half of the total quantity. Afterwards prepare manda by adding laja churna and jeeraka shardi. So this is bilva siddha dugdha siddha kshira bilva siddha kshira with laja and jeeraka. पुष्करवादी कषाय रुद्रोग पुष्कराव्हादि कषाय पुष्कराव्हा भया शुंठी शकी रास्ता वचाकणा माशदारु बला सिद्ध क्वाथोयम हंतिरुद्रुजम पुष्कर मूल अभया हरितकी शुंठी शकी रास्ना वचा कणा माश दारु देवदारु बला. So Rudruja, there are very few cases seen of Rudruja as such. And many times in conventional medicine, nothing is found. And just giving painkiller is the treatment. I know one of my students' mother who was suffering from severe chest pain in the heart region and was admitted in KEM. It couldn't be relieved at all. And there was no serious matter over there. So she was discharged. And later on, I treated her with Pushkar Mood and Vatashamana Aushadha or something like that, Basti and Sichu, etc. And then that subsided. So this is Rutshula Rudruja, that is, this might be useful, Pushkara Bhadi Kashaya. Whether this is available? Actually, it is Rudruja, but here he has given only Rudroga. In Vataja Rudroga, there is severe pain. And how to deal with that is a question. The people are very afraid. What is it? Shila Kashai. Stone. So one has to heat the stone till it becomes red hot. Immerse into the water. Repeat the process till the water reduces to half. And then administer internally with Laja, Madhu and Sharkara. Mukha Shosha, Jivha Shosha. So we are using a piece of earthen pot for this. And I used to do only till the water becomes warm with this procedure. And then filter and may add Laja and give. Or Chardi particularly. But here they are saying a stone directly. Hindi book Rud is Amashaya Vachaka. It's a bit strange. That is said to be Amashaya Dwara. That is said to be Amashaya Dwara. May have to think about this. Tvak Nagapushpadi Kashaya. त्वं नागपुष्पमगधा मरिचाजादि धान्यकैः परुषकमधुकैला सुराभैश्च सितान्वितैः सकपित्तरसं नृत्यं पानकं शशिबोधितं मदात्येषु सर्वेषु पेयं रुच्यग्निदीपनम्. We only know this Chinchadi Panakamrita in Madatya. Tvak Dalchini Nagapushpa Nageshwara Magadha Pippali Magadha Maricha Ajadi Dhanyaka Parushaka Madhuka Ela Surava Devdaru. And together with Sharkara, Kapitha Rasa and Karpura. Shashi Bodhitam is not taken into translation. So this fact has to be kept in moonlight and then administered. So yesterday was Kojagiri. So it is expected that we keep the milk under moonlight and then drink it. Kojagiri Purnima started 5:45 in the evening and it is still 8 o'clock tonight. So maybe tonight also we can do it and after sunset. So Chandramsha Shitala, that is Madnateshu Sarvishu Payam Ruchagni Deepanam. So this is quite fine. So Panakatvam Nagapushpadi Panaka. Mahoshadhadi Kashaya. Mahoshadha Mrta Draksha Pushkaram Granthikoddhavam Pibet Kanayatam Kwasam Murchayancha Madeshucha. Shunthi Guruchi Draksha Pushkara. Granthika is typically Mula. Kwatha to be prepared and with Kana. Typically it is to be given for Murcha and Mother. So, is this available, Mahushadhadi Kashaya? Otherwise, we can definitely prepare it on our own. Generally, these coma patients, Murcha is just syncope also, and in mother. But we can just administer it through rice tube. They are generally with rice tube. And this being a decoction is easy to give. Mahoshadhi, Amrita, Draksha, Pushkara, Gantika Bhed, Gantikobhava. Grantitagar. I think Grantita is Pipali Moola. Grantikodbhavam. Patham. So Udbhava may not be taken with Grantika. All together, Mahoshadha, Amrita, Draksha, Pushkara, Grantika, all together taken, and then the decoction, Patha, being prepared from all these. So Grantika should be in a better way this Pipali Moola. ಹಿಂದಿಗೂ depend ತಗರತ್ತಿದೆ. Whether we have Grantika as a synonym for Tagara as well, that we may have to see. Murcha and Madatte. So Sannyasa is further stage of Murcha, Mada Murcha and Sannyasa. So Mada and Murcha this helps, but this should be helping in even in Sannyasa. Mahushadhadi Kashaya. So this, let us bring it into practice, that will be better. Muviladi Kanni Kashaya. Muvila to कृष्णीभरणी कषाय प्लस तक्र चांगेरी रस चिक्कू शुंठी महौषध ने मुख शोषो मद काय कसे यूज करता है मुख शोषा मध्ये which मुख शोषा मध्ये it was long back I suppose मुख शोषा so Trishna, if that is most important thing, then Mukha in this might be used. खदलादि रक्तापा मार्ग रस मन्याद हरिद्रा अरलु अलारु लाजा चूर्ण अर्शस अतिसार अर्शग्न वर्ग कषाय पाठा मुस्ता पंचकोल पिरकु बीज पुनर्नवा कड़ुक्क हरितकी अपामार्ग तुवा यवास उल्ली लशुन कायम हिंगु कुलत्थ वंशलोचन कुवलम बिल्वमूल कुवला is बिल्वमूल all the times कलासक कड़ियपकु वृंत चांगेरी मेथिका गुहा शालिपर्णी निशा हरिद्रा अजाजी यवानी वचा दीप्य युग्म जीरकद्वय. Dipya is also for मधुमुच्छा शुंठी तगर सारख्या उष्ण औषधांचा विचार. Basically, it is Vatadosha that needs attention, and kapha can also cause Rotarodha and lead to Madamurcha. That is also possible. So, though there is Raktadushti, but still kapha and Vata are more dominant in this. सूर्णकंद, द्रोणपुष्पी, यवक्षार, पटु, सैंधवलवण, कुटज, arshas. Now this is a gana again, so individually it can be used for arshas. This is arshogana gana as such. Padma kinjan prani kashaya. Padma kinjalka, padma keshara, vasa, vasa, rakta apamarga. Rakta apamarga is again coming, so there should be a different variety. Musta, Kutiratvat, and Vari. Found Chandana with buttermilk and administer internally with takra. Chandana with buttermilk. Raktarshas with persistent bleeding. So Chandana with buttermilk. This is it's very difficult to draw meaning from this. You have to depend on that Malayalam. Changaryadi Morkandi. Changeri Niru, Changeri Swarasa, Moru buttermilk, Laga Churana. Prepare kanji with the above specified drugs. Atisarahara Agnidipaka Udara Vayu Shamaka. So kanji to be made from takra. Everything is in Malayalam, so not able to understand. Moru is buttermilk. How much quantity? Suradarvadi Kashaya. Suradaru Karanja Bilva Patha Kana Mulati Vishaushadham Dana. Salilam Lavanottama Lavanottama Vagadam Pidatam Dashati. Vahika Subhora. Vahika? Satisar and Pravahika. देवदार करंज बिल्व पाठा कणा मूल पिपली मूल अतिविषा शुंठी and musta with lavanottama vagadham. So lavanottama to be added, so that is saindhava. Vahika subhora. Bilvambudadi rashaya. Bilva ambuda अतिविषा वत्सक कुटज चव्य कृष्ण पिप्पली नल्लोर चुक्कु. Good variety of shunthi. Kana vaira pippali moola jala. Amadosha shula and rakta kafayukta atisar. Amadosha. धान्यबलाकादि कषाय धान्यवालक बिल्वाब्द नागरी साधकं जनम आमशूलहरं ग्राही दीपनं पाचनं धान्यवालक बिल्वाब्द धने बिल्व बालक वालक is rebera ushira abda musta nagar shunki amashulahara grahi deepanam pachanam param. So this can be used very well. आमशूलनाशक ग्राही दीपन पाचन. So I think we can conclude here today. We'll continue on Monday with Charka. I don't know how much portion of this is remaining now. So we'll just try to go through. As such, it is showing 205 up to 85 pages. So still there might be 80 pages. So I'm not sure how much it will take. But later on, I would like to start with Madhav Nidanam, Madhukaushika first chapter. So we try to have a base of Ayurvedic philosophy as the diseases are concerned, and then may go for Chakradatta or something that will be better. So let us conclude today and continue on Monday. Nearly 50 pages. आयुर्वेद प्रकाण्डो निगदित इह हि शल्यतन्त्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने तां च सुष्ठुः प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम्. विरम्यते व्याख्यानव्यापार. सोमवासरे पुनरपि मिलिष्यामः. Want to buy Vaishajya Ratnavali and Chakradatta? Please say author. Well, I don't know the author of Vaishajya Ratnavali. Chakradatta is from Chakrapani Datta. That's what I suppose. But should be available in the market. Just by the name Vaishajya Ratnavali and Chakradatta. So try to search. That will be better. And this should be available even in PDF format online. So try to see whether they are available online.